guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing our nighttime routine, and that is when I'm wearing makeup actually. So I just wanted to show you what my nighttime routine would look like using my skincare, the skincare products that I'm using for May. I just want to show you what that routine would look like. I'm going to be making another video, and that video is going to be about my weekly skincare routine, because a lot of people were asking, what do you use, how do you use all of these products that you mentioned that you're currently using in for me, that is. So I'm going to share all of that in a separate video. That's going to be a very detailed video, so look out for that one. But for today, I'm going to share with you my nighttime routine when I'm wearing makeup. All right. Okay, so the first thing that we usually do is to go in with my this is my cleansing balm from I'm From my I'm From Thick Cleansing Balm. So I usually just apply this to my face, or I would use my Pharmac Deep Cleansing Oil, but I'm not using that right now because it's almost finished. So we're just going to be working with the I'm From Thick Cleansing Balm, and I usually go in twice. Like I clean my face, rub it first, then rinse it off, and then go in again with the cleansing balm to just, you know, get all of the makeup and all of the dirt and gunk or whatever is on my face. All right, then whenever I use my cleansing balm, I usually go in with a gentle cleanser. Okay, whenever I use my cleansing balm, I don't use my cleansing balm every day. Okay, this is only when I'm wearing makeup. So when I'm using my cleansing balm, I usually like to go in with a gentle cleanser, and the Rovectin Skin Essentials cleanser is perfect because it's extremely gentle on the skin. All right, yes. And then when I'm finished with that, I just usually go in with a rag. This time I went in with paper towel because I couldn't I had to go into my drawer and stuff like that to take out the towel, and I didn't really have time. So what I usually go in with, or what I am currently using now, is the Anua Leaf toner. This is a very soothing toner, guys, and it's excellent because it helps to control sebum, and it also hydrates the skin, and it has this particular ingredient. Is called Houtonia cordata, and that is supposed to help with germs, like getting rid of germs. So, you know, whenever you're applying makeup and stuff like that, sometimes the dirt and everything from, you know, the makeup can leave germs. So this toner is going to be excellent at removing the germs and so forth, and it also helps to control sebum. That is exactly what I want to do during summer, and it's also very soothing. This toner to me is in the same category as the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Toner. Yes, so while I'm going to get the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Toner for maybe June, July, August, I am going to continue using this because it's giving me the same vibe that the Isntree Green Tea Fresh Toner was giving me, controlling sebum and all of that. So I really enjoy using this. This is usually a toner that I use in the mornings, but I use it in the evenings if I am wearing makeup, because I want to soothe and hydrate my skin. All right, so I usually go in with a toner like this, and then I'm going to go in with an essence later on. All right. What I like to also do, because I wore like makeup and the eye products and so forth, sometimes it kind of irritates my eyes, so I like to go in with my my eye drops just to clear it up and to get rid of all the dirt and anything that could, you know, prevent me from seeing, because I really can't really see so good like during the night. So I like to get my sight very clear and so forth. So this is our CosRX Blackhead Power Liquid. I love this. Why? Because it has a gentle exfoliating ingredient. It is betaine salicylate. This is basically the Korean version of salicylic acid, and you know what salicylic acid does? It gently exfoliates the skin. It goes deep into the pores to get rid of any dirt and oil and extra oil and so forth. And I love using this essence because it's very hydrating. It's going to be a gentle exfoliant, so it's perfect. I usually go in with the ascorbic plus alpha arbutin. but today I was like, the tranexamic acid is almost finished, so why don't I just use it? But as soon as this is finished, tranexamic acid, we're going to go back to the ascorbic acid plus alpha arbutin. So this stage is my brightening stage. I like to brighten my skin whenever I like go to bed. This is not like everyday thing, but just for today's routine, I'm using it. Then we're going to go into a moisturizer. I like to say moisturizer. This is the Cosier Snail Mucin moisturizer, guys. When I just started using this moisturizer, I got it in a trial size. I used it under my eyes and on my face. The face part was okay, but the under eye cream, it gave me a little bit of irritation, so I had a little reservation whenever I was supposed to go in with the Snail Mucin. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how my skin is going to react, but guys, I've been using this forever and it has been amazing. So as you can see, we are going in with our azelaic acid, because guess what, I had like maybe two or three little baby like pimples. I don't know, maybe they're little whiteheads and blackheads. I like to apply that right after my moisturizer so that it can help to treat pimples and so forth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like to go in with this. If I was going in with the ascorbic plus the alpha arbutin, maybe I wouldn't use this, but because I was going in with just the tranexamic acid, it's perfectly fine. All right, and what I like to do, because I'm going to my bed, I don't want my face to have that matte feeling, I like to take a little bit more of the moisturizer to just, you know, put back the moisture in my skin, because the azelaic acid actually is a treatment ingredient, and sometimes it takes away the moisture from your skin. All right, so I like to also moisturize in my ears because it gets very dry and so forth. Now for my eye cream, I'm using my good old caffeine solution from The Ordinary. Put that on my fingers, my ring fingers, and apply that under my eyes, above my lids, and we just moisturize that and rub that into, you know, all of that goodness where I want it to go. Right, as you can see, guys, I really want to sleep, so I'm just going to apply my lip gloss right now, and that is going to complete my skincare routine. Okay guys, so this is the finished face. I'm so sleepy. I don't know if you can see it in my eyes, but I really need to go and sleep, so I'm gonna sign out for tonight. Just gonna tie down my hair and do the regular smegular, and well, we'll talk in the next one. Alright, so this is it. Feeling fresh, feeling nice, hydrated, and all the good stuff. So see you in the next video. Okay.